Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to sell tickets on the Vids app. To list your tickets for sale, click the Sales Ticket link. It can be found by clicking the three dots in the upper right corner of the Vids homepage or at the bottom under Services. After that, click the red bar labeled Sell Your Ticket. Then search for the event you wish to list tickets for. Now select the event name and then the specific date you're selling tickets for by clicking the checkbox and pressing Continue. At this point, you'll be prompted to log in into your Vids account or create one if you don't already have one. Fill in the information about the tickets, such as the section, row, and seat numbers. Here, set your delivery method, unit price, and split. Next, enter your PayPal email address so that Vids can send payment if your tickets sell. Following that, enter the location that your tickets are physically located. In other words, where they will be shipped or upload from, which is typically your address. After that, enter your credit card information, agree to the seller terms and conditions, then click Submit Tickets. You'll then see a confirmation page that will bring you to the final page to confirm your listings. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.